The 5 things I love about the Alfa Romeo 4C. The transmission is number 5. It has a dual dry clutch transmission with a number of different modes: normal, wet, dynamic, and race modes. And race modes comes with launch control. It is a great transmission, and for people who've never driven it and complain about the stick shift, you'll understand why when you drive the 4C in race mode or dynamic mode. Number 4, handling. The car handles like it's on rails. It corners with an amazing G-force of 1.1 G, and that's with stock Pirellis, much more with Michelin 4S tires. Number 3, the carbon fiber tub. The tub is the carbon fiber monocoque and holds the car together. The carbon fiber tub weighs 143 pounds and was designed with help from Dallara. Number 2, the power of the car. The car has 240 horsepower from a 1.75-liter all-aluminum turbo engine with a power-to-dry weight ratio of about 14 pounds per horsepower. That's about the same power-to-weight ratio as a Corvette. Number 1, the sound. The car has no muffler. It sounds terrific anytime you start the car up, and especially when you drive it hard. It has lots of pops and bangs. Beauty. The car is just absolutely stunning. It was designed by Alessandro Marcolini with many cues on the 1967 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. All in all, it's a car that's just of immense beauty, immense character, immense fun, and as they say in Italy, bella macchina.
A big thanks to my buddy Kim for sharing the top 5 things he loves about his Alfa Romeo 4C. If you've got a different top 5 for this car, please share it in the comments. Before doing anything else, please smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. And remember, in the game of life, play to win.